And we're live. So, Ati? Screen share. And we're live. So, today, this is the nth meetup, Python meetup. And today, we had a speaker today who would lead us in the meetup, lakini he has not come. So, we just have to move on because we can't cancel it just because he has more important issues. So, yeah. Issues. Yeah. So, I have chosen this kata and let's go through it together. You only need one beginner. That's the title of the kata. It's an 8Q kata. And you'll be given an array, A, and value X. All you need to do is check whether the provided array contains the value. Array can contain numbers of strings. X can be either. Return true if array contains the value, false if not. Yeah, so any ideas on how we can do it? Hope it's clear. Yeah, I need your views on this. So an array can contain a number of strings. So an X can be either, X can be either. Return true if the array contains the value, false if not. Am I clear? Yeah. So who can suggest anything? So if LM in our case is in sequence, I think this is sequence. Yeah, you return true or false. When if LM is in sequence, you return true.
So you're checking for the membership.
For the
membership, as in you're checking if the element is in the sequence.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have a method to check if an element?
No. I'm not sure. It's called that is, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Python RB. Obsessed with Ruby of late. No, let's try Lucy's first. Uh-huh.
Else, return false. Yes.
I'm not getting what you're saying.
We are checking.
The instructions were to check if the element is in the array. So you're taking the membership of a certain element. So if you do element with element, so that's what limits it with element. Or do you have a filter? A move on and then no. Like you're supposed to do with an element in the array. So you take if the element is in the array, then else. I'm not getting it. I mean, if we are going to like see the element is okay. We have an element that you want to put it in the array.
So I'm asking if we do this if element is in the sequence, like if we put it in an if statement, hatujifungi only to the ELM, ELEM.
They can give it
Or we just do your way, I love to be on the way how it comes out. Questions arise.
Let's do this first, and then we can go to her issue.
Yeah.
So that is issue number 2 on our PR, on our GitHub repo. So I've actually attempted. Yeah, impressive. All are passing. Yeah, so this runs, but we have to refactor. Yeah, so maybe you can style. Stacy, what were you suggesting?
That's a big thing.
Oh yeah, yeah. So we can also try this. Huh.
the thing is, you're given two arguments. This element and the array. Your job is to just check if this element, the one you have been given, is in the array, not any other.
You have. We can't hear you, Lucy. You have to unmute yourself before you speak.
I was telling her that, can you hear me now? That you're given two parameters, an LM and a sequence. That is an element and an array. Actually, it's a list. We don't have an array in Python.
It's called
Yeah. So you're supposed to check for this specific element if it is in the list. If it is in it, you return true. If it's not, you return false. That is just what you're doing. Have I answered you?
Initialize.
So anyone else with the question? Thanks you, Lucy. Thank you, Lucy. Can we try another method? Yeah. Okay, let me try this. Return that way. Yeah, so let's try this. Yeah, just like that. Refactor. Yeah, so what this does, yeah, corrector mundo. What this does is it will return a boolean. The return value will be a boolean. So if lm is in sequence, it will return true. If not, it will return false. Yeah. Yeah, and just to correct you, in Python we do have arrays. It's only that we prefer calling them lists as compared to calling them arrays. Yeah, just as we have dictionaries can be called maps or hashes, but our name yenye tumezoea yani ni dictionaries. Yeah.
Am I allowed to?
Just to say, I think arrays are better than calling them arrays is more fancier than calling them lists.
Yeah, you can. I have no comment.
Am I allowed to brag in Ruby?
Yeah. Yeah, you can.
Ruby, it's just a half liner. Because all you have to do is array dot include element.
Or element sec. Without the word return, can also do.
So you try and see.
In Ruby.
No, in Python.
No, we can't do that.
Oh,
We
that's
have to,
in Ruby.
yeah.
I would try.
We are in Python we have to return. So the return statement is a must in all functions. I was saying this, I'm not sure, though I was suggesting it. We don't have okay. Yeah. So this is not a half liner. It's not. Include replaces. Include replaces return in our case. The brackets are for in our case. So the number of characters sec that include that way. Oh, in Python, fuck man. I can still cuss. Yeah, so we have changed the okay. So R dot include element. Okay. Outstanding, outstanding. Okay, yeah, so we have just tried that in Ruby. Let's choose another one. We've already done it. Yeah, you are not paying attention. Yeah. Oh, the next one. When you speak, you unmute yourself. Which one? Yeah, so we have to do this. Reversed string. Java, Python. Yeah. I need your views on this. Unmute yourself when you speak. Anyone?
Okay. Can we use dot reverse? Anyone?
Ask Kiki.
Can we use dot reverse?
Yeah. We can try. So
Dot reverse.
is it reversed or reverse?
Reverse.
Are you sure?
I think it's reverse.
Okay.
If
Yeah.
it's reversed.
Sorted.
You know there's
In sort we use sorted. So I think we use past tense. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing.
Wait, you read your error. Read your error.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Test.expect solution. Yeah. Return string dot reversed. Attribute error has no attribute reversed.
So like now there's not dot reverse.
How does reverse?
Yes. Yeah, you can't do that. So let's just reverse strings. Right.
So mwenyewe kuandika sorted alafu hapo ndani naandika reverse equals true. Kama ni hivi.
Get it? Did you lock the screen to this one?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so
Is there a problem?
no.
Where have you come from?
Ati tumetoka wapi? Surely, unataka kutujeu? Ndio ufanye. Oh, inasika kwa video.
Yes, hivyo.
Na baby ilikuwa
Slice.
Ula!
Hey, what
Slice.
have you done?
Just that.
He googled it, please. He googled
Yeah.
it.
Aya, uko down.
No, you know, I'm used to dot reverse, so
Hey, it's telling me off from the left is like, yeah.
You didn't even have the figure.
we don't have dot reverse. And the way I like it.
That's reverse.
If
So-
you're online and wondering what dot reverse is, it's when things don't go your way.
And you have not explained this, or is it because you have
No,
copied?
sorry. Oh, okay, let me explain this. In arrays, we have
In lists,
arrays.
please.
I think it's something like
So lists are same as See, we just said wrists. Did you say wrist?
Malcolm.
Yeah.
There's not reverse, but I think it's limited to list. I don't know. It's just things limited.
Oh, to lists.
Yeah.
I guess that's where I got.
You Google the answer.
See, don't say wrist again. Wrist is the part of the hand.
Can you try with the figure? So that comes into our
That's straight. It's limited.
So accessing, maybe indexing in lists. So when we index, we have start, stop, and step. So if we have, let me go to here.
Michael,
Yeah.
kitu ya kuongezea kidogo. Is it lists or is it any iterable object? For indexing.
For indexing,
Yeah.
I think it's lists.
I think it's any iterable object.
Yeah, it's any because we can even index a string.
Yeah. Like the example, yeah.
Yeah, even we can even reverse a string.
Oh.
Yeah, like this.
What do you call collections in Python?
What?
What do you call collections in Python?
Concatenating. I'm not getting your question.
Collections like arrays, lists.
Data types,
No, they're
No.
not data.
data structures,
A collection of anything. How do you call it?
an object.
Sequence.
I'm not sure. What are you saying?
I
What is
think
the
a
question?
sequence. Like a collective name for dictionaries, lists.
Exactly.
Uh,
set.
No, me I think it's sequence. Sequence or container data types.
See, there are data types.
Yeah, but even a string is a data type.
Yeah.
But they're talking about the
Yeah, container data types. If you talk of the tuples, we have tuples. We have lists, we have dictionaries, sets,
Yeah.
and all this. So return string. So when you index, you can have a string.
shit, caps lock.
Pardon?
No,
String.
I tell you over there.
So we can do one and two. We give two arguments. We include the start and the stop.
indexes.
Yeah. Two arguments. Yeah.
You start from indirect.
String indices must be integers. See, 1 and 2 are integers.
I think it should be braces rather than square brackets.
You
No.
mean
No,
Brackets.
no, he's trying to access an element.
sorry?
Like when we say list index 0, and then we'll get the element at index 0. You use the square brackets.
Right.
So we use the column that was a typo instead of the comma.
Malcolm just like explain something.
Indexing, I don't know if that is a term, but it's when you're trying to access a specific element. So,
Randomly or
yeah, randomly.
not in an array.
No, in the array, yeah, but it could be any element. So you start from 0, index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to access element number 4 or character number 4, you say the name of the list. For example, if it's list, yeah, string 1, and then in square brackets, the position of the element that you want.
Why has it done 1, 2? And
This-
then 0, 1.
That what I was explaining is how to access an element. This is called what operator? I've forgotten the name. Slicing operator. This is called slicing operator. This is when you want to access maybe one or more elements in between a string. For example, if you wanted to, in string 1, Malcolm, if you wanted to access L and C and O, you know, if you want to just access L, it's easier. You would just say string 1 and then into square brackets 0, 1, 2, 2. Then when you want to access L, C, and O, you will need to specify more.
No, the one.
Okay, I think for you to understand, Malcolm, try changing the 2 to 3 so that she can see the difference.
So we give to
1, 3, that is.
let me show you. Let me show you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so what we are going to do from the first one, this one.
It's only index number 1.
Meaning,
It's only brought back the element at index 1. What?
Yeah.
yeah. So it stops, it doesn't read the same. So at here we have 0, it won't reach
So if you specify the end, it's
N minus
up
1.
to this end, but
Minus.
not
yeah,
including
just
the
not
Or you could say N minus 1. Up to
We
N
have-
minus 1.
yeah. So we have this.
Ma. That
But if we give,
I wanted to say that that operation is called slicing. It's the same thing. Slicing. Slicing.
Wait.
what if we do this?
Slicing. Slicing. Slicing.
What if we do this?
That will
You
bring
do 3.
Mark.
I think it will magically start from 0.
Magically set. We are not sure what we can do.
Yeah, I believe so.
0 to 2.
Yeah, you're right.
So it will bring
It will not include 3, it start from 0 to 2. And in our case, this is string. Then with that, anyone.
It will be 0 and 1.
Yeah,
0 and 1.
0 and 1.
I think it will do 0
Uh,
and 2.
0 and 2. Okay.
I think it will bring from 0 to the end, but skipping 2 elements.
Even 2 elements.
So it will bring 0 and then skip 1, 2, 3.
I say that.
So it will be M, and then it skips A and L, C, and then skip over to M.
MCM. So So you give us
Yes.
anyone else? Yeah, so including the group
M?
M, L,
Yes.
O, and M.
Okay. Ngoja.
Why?
At M, and then you skip what? Okay. Let me stick to my answer.
Who can give an answer? According to our code and our output, who can guess what?
M, L,
It skips 2 characters.
O.
It skips 2 characters and lands on the second one.
Pardon?
It skips 2 characters and then lands on the second one. Like it skips A and then lands on L.
So it skips characters.
It skips A and L but lands on L.
Pardon?
Skips A and L but lands on L.
Okay. Right. That's so fine. Uh-huh. Lucy.
Huh? I already gave my answer, which was it skips 2 characters.
A pass. I pass.
Yeah, so what it does, the step.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll start with step. So the default one is steps. Keep one step like steps you walk. Like the steps you walk, it's just takes one step at a time. Yeah. So with that, this time it will give step 2. So our step is 2, in which it will move from. It will give the first, then skip the first one and land on the second one. So the step is where it lands in. Yeah, but the default start. Remember, we have not included the start point here. The default start point is 0. That's why here it started from 0 by default. It will start from 0, then land on the second one, not the code second one, because we usually go 0, 1, and 2. But 1, 2, 1, 2, not 0, 1, 2. That's it. Have I confused anyone? Because I usually doubt myself with the explanations. So, step, we can have negative, of which it starts from the end of the string or the, yeah. So it will start from M, which is our 0. It takes it as 0, going till the end. Yeah. So we do another one.
So I have a question.
Uh-huh.
If you're referring to the end of the string, right? The last character can say. So
The last character of the string. Do you refer to it as 0 also or negative 1?
A negative 1.
Oh.
So we do another one.
Yeah.
The last one. I'm already. We'll have tried it in room, but it's Python meetup. Okay, so
So, next time work zile njugu. Tutakuwa na mbona.
8Q, 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 8Q.
Reverse the array.
Pardon?
No. We haven't done it. We haven't.
we do a card one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, that is card one.
That is tunafaa tufanye 2q. 2q.
So your task is to create a function that does 4 basic mathematical operations. The function should take 3 arguments, operation, string or character, value, which is number, and value 2, which is number. So the function should return result of numbers after applying the chosen operation. Okay. Let's begin. Yeah. So your task is to create a function that does 4 basic mathematical operations. Yeah. I hope you read the instruction.
Really, Malcolm?
I know I read the instruction before if I pressed on train. So this is just repeating the same thing. But since you complained, your task is to create a function that does 4 basic mathematical operations. The function should take 3 arguments: operation, which is a string or a character, the value, which is number, and value 2, which is number. The function should return the result of the numbers after applying the chosen operation. So in our case, basic operation function takes 3 arguments. The first one, which is a character, a number, then a number. Yeah.
What's wait.
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah. So it does that. If it's plus, it adds them. If it's minus, it subtracts. And so
This is what happened.
why?
Because I remember trying it,
Uh-huh.
and the class it was string.
Yeah.
So you have to
Simple.
how to say it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
It's not as easy as it looks.
It's not as easy.
The class and the operator are strings.
Oh, so you're supposed to do this in Python?
yes.
Okay, I'll be listening.
What if you just say
Uh-huh.
if the operator is a string, the additional string, then do this. If it's
Yeah, that is also an option. But it's long.
yeah. If this if we,
Yeah, so for the sake of those, we will do that then refactor.
okay.
Because I know there is a one-liner code that can do this. Just
Wow. Hey.
operator.
If operator equals to that one.
It is long.
Return value 1 plus value 2.
Can we change?
Value 1, value 2.
Don't you think that's repetitive? Because we already have a value, we have a value 2, and we have an operator.
This is the
So saying
this is a long.
if
If fail. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's long, but it works.
Yeah.
Though we will need to refactor it after.
Yeah. So we can use the dictionary and keep
okay, this would work. I tell you what,
any
Alright.
value.
value 1 is an integer, value 2 is an
Value
integer. The plus sign is
String. So if the operator is that, do this.
Never saw that.
She graduated, by the way.
No, get you. I'm going to listen to her.
Ouch.
So you do this,
Well,
right?
what if, okay, in,
No.
in the assumption,
No.
here else, yeah? What if, I mean,
Welcome.
what if he presses,
Uh-huh.
what if he presses a K,
Pardon?
instead of a skill ball, he press K.
Okay.
Like, okay, he presses anything, any key in the keyboard.
No, we don't do that.
No, but I'm a smart. Like else return value. Like if he does anything else, That's what we return.
Those are in the test.
No, we have only the positive, the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division. So after the three of these, we have no other option to choose.
Rank
So
test.
don't make it, that's why you have else with no condition. Otherwise, we would have elif operator equals to the division sign. Do this. Is that okay?
But it's okay.
No, just ask a question. Ask it.
Okay, what I'm asking. Okay, according to the instruction, the guy is supposed to put the symbol. The symbol. So what if instead of in the symbol place, he put any character other than the front slash? What happens?
But can you just give me what you have first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So let's try
There's
this.
nothing. There are only 4 operators. Yeah.
Does not make sense, but it does actually do.
Another method.
Oh, so you're checking if
Yeah.
the operator is the string plus, then you add.
Then you add, yeah.
It's a long thing.
Another one, we could use a dictionary. So our key will be the operator,
Yeah.
and then the value will be the operation. Yes, operation.
Queen of dictionaries. Okay. Since the last.
But if
Photo
so,
mob.
before you cancel that, how could we refactor that apart from using a dictionary?
That's refactoring. What do you mean by refactoring?
I got this.
Why?
Using if. Using if, but not this. We use the if condition, but not this way.
In that case, we have cases.
Yeah, we have cases.
Oh, yeah.
So case can also work, if can also work. I remember in campus, we were starting C++. The exam was doing that we need to do this.
Kuna echo kwa yako. Echo.
Yes, because
Have you connected into 2 words?
yeah.
Hebu mute na uendelee kuongea. Hivyo. Hebu ongea.
Echo?
No,
Yeah.
You can hear it.
I can't
Can you
hear.
speak?
Hebu ongea.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's because there's a mic.
Yenye power.
But we need it because you want to speak and you forget to open your mic.
Oh, it's misses.
Yeah. This is just me.
No, but it can't be on when you're talking.
Twice. And the speed of sound. You never did physics, Lucy. Okay, so the
It's a dictionary.
yeah will be the keys, and then yeah. Okay, I think I had thought of another way of using dictionaries, but you've said that and it has. Yeah, let's do this. Another long one. So we return. 1 plus 2. Then you have I'm lazy. Multiplication. Here we have multiplication. Which other one? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so later. Moment of truth. Already green. Did you see that? Yeah, this is also correct. No, don't say that. So who knows a way of converting strings to symbols in Python? Ah, no, strings to symbols. Did I say list? Up to have a plus operators. Operators are not symbols. They are. So, okay, let me ask you. So this, is this a string or a symbol? Yeah. A variable or a method. We have not defined them. And that one? That's we don't have such. So don't laugh at my Googling skills.
Ongea sasa.
Nothing. Nothing helpful. This is long. This guy has a similar problem to us. He's using lambda. These are a function, like many functions in a function. I hate it. What will?
It's encoded the string now. It has been stringified.
Yeah.
Now you want to change it into an operator. You don't have such a method.
I think we can try this. Can you see it? 2016. Okay. So let's hash this. return value 1 val operator. God, please work. Yeah. Yeah. Value 2. Ah! Okay. So return invalid syntax. What do we put? The eval in brackets. Okay. We do this. You're saying you do this? Okay. Not giving it a try. Don't think, because yeah. Try this. Whatever it's supposed to work. Yeah, it doesn't work. Let's try this. Eval plus unexpected while passing. End of file. It's okay. This causes syntax error. Our case, right? It's also very dangerous to use eval. This okay, making us paranoid excess. Unless answer, which just produces syntax error, this is not even notable for showing the wrong way to do it. Okay, so he has 12 downvotes. Poor him. Poor us. This one if. Okay, operators equals to. This is a dictionary. And then you apply A, op, B. So method operators op return. That won't work. So we are left with anyone who has another idea. Anyone? That's our one-liner. The one you just suggested is our one-liner. Eval works. Yeah. So what if we do this? Eval. Uh, 3 plus 5. We get 8. This is sorcery. Oh, I think eval needs an operation to do.
Value,
If we
operator,
include
value.
I think it will work.
Try that.
So should
Yeah.
Stop thinking. Oh, that's because. Oh, fuck.
One.
So return. Return.
And then operator. Sorry, value 1. Operator. Value 2.
Fingers crossed.
We literally work like that.
Uh-huh.
Can you?
Put them in a string.
Oh, I mean, inside a string.
Oh, that. Oh, the values. Since operator is in a string. I think since operator is a string, we put values as strings. Yeah. Yeah. God, it's not even grid. Yeah, we have. Okay. I don't even need this. Okay. So see here and here. We have put the curly braces. No. Sorry. Do I put them as a string? Yeah, I have to. We don't write hash and then. Yeah, we don't do that. Yeah, we do it here. This is a string. This is another string.
I can see we have this wonderful thing.
An F.
We have somebody who's using F. The word F.
The word F.
Yeah, it's just F. Then who lives in a pineapple? Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Question mark. Then the braces. The name is the name itself.
Is that even a language?
Okay, let me send you the link. Where should I send the link?
In the comments. Comment section on Hangouts. Return. Will it convert the? Yeah, let's try that. Pardon? Oh, like just like this. Okay, yeah. So we have value here. Oh, end. Yeah. Just like that. I'm checking it right now. Valid. So let me check the comment section. Did you lock the screen to mine? Okay, so name SpongeBob SquarePants and then print SquarePants. Yeah. This is an answer. Okay. So I think it will be okay.
Just try whatever we have for SpongeBob in your interpreter first. See if it works. This percentage works. No, the SpongeBob thing.
Need a charger. I need a charger. This one.
Yeah.
Valid syntax. Yeah. It's the same. Or maybe let's do maybe it's not even a Python 2 thing.
How about the second one? Locals.
This one. Locals. Yeah, it works. So square pants. Square pants. Where is this as coming from? String. I hope so. So what we want to do is print values on the purpose. Percentage. Lucy, you're so quiet. Could also
Just trade percentage S.
Let's try this.
Yeah. Yeah.
what is this? Okay, yeah.
Malcolm.
Yes.
Okay, the guy used S because it was a string. Now I think we should use I because the values are integers.
We're trying to make it. But I think we should print it so that you can see our for operator for none should equal. So oh, it's returning a string operator. Oh yeah. So let's do this. Since we are having this, let's We don't want this operator to be printed as operator. But then we have these locals at the end, which is worrying me. And this one is separated on this side. No, operator is already a string. You see? Converting only the operator. We want to use a val, the val function. Okay, value 1 plus 7. So this one ain't working. We should do locals here. Is 4 plus 7. Yeah. At least now it's working. My God. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. We've just lost connection. We're back. So let's return this and the val, the whole of this. Are we clear? Hey. Oh yeah. Thanks to Sigu. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, we've done that. The locals thing worked. A way of converting things to strings. Yeah. So you just include it in a percentage, then the inside the the parentheses string.
This code is ugly.
Yeah, the code is ugly. You sure it does?
Can you remove the S?
Let us do that. And then run it. Error. Incomplete format. So the S is actually valid. And who made this thing? These guys are weird. This is Python 3.6 from the link we were told. Yeah, prior to Python 6, closest to you can get to this. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because actually they never use their dogs. Ever.
We do. You have dogs.
No, you guys never use dogs.
I think that's the link.
How do you guys never use dogs? Can you do the cleaning? Who's supposed to do that?
Documentation. Yeah. This is our documentation for those who think we don't have a documentation. Yeah, Python function into Python function. Sig, we also have an index here. You can just get the whole thing. Local class and trading. Locals built-in function. Yeah. Update and return a dictionary representing the current local symbol table. This is not the one used. Yeah, so that's it for meetup. Thank you, Lucy. Thank you, Lucy. Usikie naongea ama mnaona nikaa napaka lipstick hapa? Ifikie wazazi. Bye guys, so thank you for visiting us. Mose, thank you sana kwa kuja huku. Yeah, he didn't miss much. And you're welcome again. So you can end the broadcast.
Thanks for having me.